Welcome to my channel, friends. Today in this video we are going to talk about the 2026 Honda SP 125, a motorcycle that is expected to continue Honda's legacy of reliability, efficiency, and modern design. If you are looking for a stylish and fuel-efficient bike for daily use, then this video is definitely for you. The design of the 2026 Honda SP 125 looks sharper and more premium than before. The front profile feels sporty with an updated headlamp design and a sleek visor that adds a modern touch. The fuel tank comes with bold graphics and sharp lines, giving the bike a confident road presence. At the rear, the LED tail lamp and well-designed grab rail enhance the overall sporty and youthful look of the motorcycle. Talking about performance, the 2026 Honda SP 125 is expected to be powered by a refined 125cc engine that focuses on smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. This engine is ideal for city riding, offering comfortable performance in traffic as well as on open roads. Honda engines are known for their durability and low maintenance, making this bike a reliable choice for long-term ownership. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point of the SP 125, and the 2026 model is expected to take it even further. With improved engine tuning and modern technology, this bike is likely to deliver impressive mileage, helping riders save money on fuel while enjoying a smooth riding experience. This makes it a great option for office commuters and students alike. In terms of features, the 2026 Honda SP 125 is expected to come with a fully digital instrument cluster that shows real-time mileage, gear position indicator, fuel information, and other useful riding data. Safety and convenience features like Honda's silent start technology and side stand engine cutoff are also expected to be included, making everyday riding more comfortable and secure. Comfort is another area where this bike performs well. The seat is expected to be wide and well cushioned, providing comfort even on longer rides. The suspension setup is tuned for city roads, handling bumps and rough patches smoothly. Braking performance is reliable and confidence-inspiring, which is important for daily riding conditions. Overall, the 2026 Honda SP 125 appears to be a well-balanced commuter motorcycle that offers style, performance, comfort, and excellent mileage. If you want a modern bike from a trusted brand that fits perfectly into daily life, the Honda SP 125 is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video, and until then, ride safe and take care.